Next topic is azeotropic mixtures or constant boiling mixtures. A liquid mixtures which have constant boiling point and distilled with unchanged composition are called azeotropic mixtures or constant boiling mixtures. Students, it means mixtures that boils at a fixed temperature called the azeotropic mixtures, and azeotropic mixtures obtained from the non-ideal solutions, not from the ideal solutions. These components of such mixtures cannot be separated by a fractional distillation. Example, when ethanol and water are present in the ratio of 95.5% and 4.5%, then they form azeotropic mixture, means the boiling point of this mixture is less than the boiling point of water and alcohol. There are two types of azeotropic mixtures. First is minimum boiling azeotropes and second one is maximum boiling azeotrope. Minimum boiling azeotrope, let's see. For the solutions with positive deviation, there is an intermediate composition for which vapor pressure of solution is maximum and boiling point is minimum. So it is called the minimum boiling azeotrope. Here at this composition, solution distills without change in its composition, therefore known as the minimum boiling azeotrope. जब हम इस सॉल्यूशन को हीट करते हैं तो ये एक डेफिनेट टेम्परेचर पर हीट होते हैं, बॉयल होते हैं विदाउट चेंजिंग इट्स कंसंट्रेशन. लेट्स सी एन एग्जांपल. हियर सी, दिस इज द percentage composition of CS2 in acetone, means azeotropic mixture of acetone 34% and CS2 66% form a solution with a boiling point of 33 degrees Celsius, which is very less than the boiling point of acetone and CS2. Boiling point of CS2, here you can see the boiling point of CS2, it is 46 degrees Celsius and the boiling point of acetone, it is 56 degrees Celsius. But when we mix these two liquids, then they form a solution, they form a mixture called the azeotropic mixture, which has the minimum boiling point, it is 33, जो कि इन दोनों के बॉइलिंग पॉइंट से कितना है, बहुत ही कम है. CS2 का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 46 एंड एसीटोन का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 56. बट जब हम इन दोनों को मिला देंगे तो इनका जो मिक्सचर है एजियोट्रोपिक मिक्सचर दैट बॉइल्स एट अ फिक्स्ड टेम्परेचर, इट इज 33 डिग्री सेल्सियस. नेक्स्ट इज मैक्सिमम बॉइलिंग एजियोट्रोप. फॉर अ सॉल्यूशन विथ negative deviation, there is an intermediate composition for which vapor pressure of solution is minimum and boiling point is maximum. At this composition, solution distills without change in its composition, known as maximum boiling azeotrope. See the next example. Here, composition, percent composition of chloroform in acetone. Here, when we mix acetone into the chloroform, then they form a azeotropic mixture with the high boiling point. Here, you can see the boiling point of chloroform, it is 61 degrees Celsius and the boiling point of acetone, it is 56 degrees Celsius. But when we mix these two liquids, then they form a azeotropic mixture which has the boiling point 65 degrees Celsius, which is higher maximum than their boiling points. So these are the azeotropic mixtures.